have some ordinary old dish soap that you might have at home, some Dawn. Okay, and I'm gonna have Dario fill that up to, see where it says 10, Dario? Just pour the soap in there, squeeze the bottle, pour it up till where it says 10. I'll tell you when to stop. Get it in the, keep going. Keep going. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, we got a recipe here. We got 10 of soap, and we're going to have about 10 drops of food coloring to make it nice and green. Nice. Okay, so can you carefully put about 10 drops of food coloring? 1, 2, 3, help him count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't get on the side. 10. Okay, cool. Okay. This is my magic chopstick. I'm going to stir it up a little bit.
And a flag.
Ooh. It's green. Isn't green and orange good for Halloween? Green is kind of slimy. Yeah. Creepy. Okay, now I have some magic stuff to put in here.
Making goo.
Kind of looks like salt. But it's not exactly the same as salt. But it's real similar.
That way, Steve.
Here's Katie's dad.
We're going to put about 5 scoops of salt in here. There's even a dead ant in here. I don't know why. There is.
There's a dead ant in there?
There was a dead ant in there.
That makes it really good.
That makes it really good. You know, like the witches make those brews with Eye of Toad and New Toad.
Ew!
Toad or whatever it is. And bat's blood and gushy worms and all that. Okay, I'm going to put just a tiny bit extra in for good measure here. Okay.
Why don't you pouring that stuff in there?
And then I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen. But I have one other ingredient here, because when we do stuff, we kind of do it like a recipe. It's kind of like cooking. This is called hydrogen peroxide. You might have it too to disinfect cuts. But this is a little bit stronger, okay? Which is why, partly why I'm wearing my glasses, because I don't have my eye protection on, which I should have. And I just left yesterday without grabbing my eye goggles.
Oh, nice. Oh! It's gonna explode! No, it isn't. I know that.
It's not going to explode. Hopefully, if it works, it's going to look pretty cool.
Oh, I know it's going to happen.
So we want to see some hopefully some really slimy, oozy stuff coming out of here, out of this pumpkin. If it works, I always have to warn you, sometimes chemistry doesn't work. Sometimes the magic doesn't work.
What?
Here's my magic chopstick.
It's not nice to go in there. It's right there.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
That was holding down the white. Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you for helping.
Okay, now when I pour this in,
it's going to blow.
what I'm going to ask Dario to do is as soon as I pour this in, I'm going to ask him to put this on. Now, Dario, I want to show you how. You're going to just set it on there like that, okay?
Oh, nice. Okay. I know what you're doing.
You need to do it real fast.
I know what he's doing. Don't tell us. Put it in there.
Okay, everybody watching?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for some chemical magic? Okay. Ready? Go. Push the ball right off. sometimes in chemistry when you mix two things together, it makes heat. And it gets, there's water in there, so that's making steam because it got really hot. And also oxygen, there's oxygen. That oxygen's what pushed everything out. Oxygen gas, just like what we breathe.
That was
I think it was a hit. I think it's beginning to
work.
I think it's beginning to fade now.
It's turning into acid.
Acid in there, and there's a little bit of salt still. Actually, you don't want to touch it because it'll could burn your hands a little bit. Could burn your skin. It's some acid that gets produced. See what it did to the paper towel?